My friends, welcome to SweatStreamTV. I am Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. This is a yoga wrap twist series that's going to lead us to Bird of Paradise. What is Bird of Paradise? I don't know, but we'll figure it out together. It's all body weight, great for men and women. And do us here at SweatStreamTV a huge favor. Make sure you click below the subscribe button and the like button and go in the About section and subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, let's get to the mat right about now. Oh, you know it's serious when I'm wearing my homemade capris. Homemade capris. Fantastic. All right. Cap on. It's sunny. The snow is melting. We had 4 feet last week. Last weekend, it's melting. Now let's go into this series that I love to use to eventually get me to Bird of Paradise. We don't know what it is yet, but we will find out. Open those fingers wide. Spread the fingers out. We're going to do a little walking here. So think of this as a complete yoga stretch flow also. Little power flow as we move into these different wraps, these different twists to really open up our flexibility, our energy, our endurance, our focus, and our balance. Let's do 4 more steps. Bring that knee across. Big twist. 1, 2. Aren't you glad you wore your capris? Don't you wish everyone did? All right, inhale forward. Little power vinyasa flow here. Come to plank. Press forward. Hover. Warming up the body, get everything moving, and lift up into up dog. Or you can bring the forearms down, twist it back and forth. It's going to be a quicker routine today. You can always repeat it. You can hold the poses longer if you wish. Back to downward facing dog. Now, inhale, bring that left leg up. Let's bring it forward. We'll start with the warrior, proud warrior. So take that foot down, bend the knee, stretch that back leg, turn in, take the arms out. We're going to reach, come down, fingers down, right arm up. Now we move through these. There's all these little options, these add-ons. Hi Addie, just going through the snow. First, take that left hand, bring it to the other side of that left foot. There we go. Sink into that lunge, into that warrior. Okay. To go further, take that right arm, lower back, and open the chest. So we got this huge twist going on, opening up the breath, opening up the sides, opening up the dog. Comment below if you work out with your pet, with your dog. Actually, she's not a pet, she's part of the family. Work out with your dog, your cat, your hamster. Now going further, it's the warrior wrap. So take that left hand, bring it to the right, and open up. Oh, love this one. Very powerful. Keep rolling it back. I taught a power yoga Pilates class this morning down the mountain, down the hill. Did a whole wrap series with them in anticipation of this video. 2 more breaths. Open. Okay. Stay here, or we do the triangle wrap. Extend. Ooh, that left leg. This one really gets in there. I'm walking my hand further up my right arm, my left hand up my right arm. Work on that. This is an option to extend that leg. If you can't quite extend like this, go to the warrior and just with each exhale stretch a little bit more. 5 more breaths. Breathe deep into the abdominals, into your diaphragm, which is right below your rib cage. See my rib cage. And what is this Bird of Paradise you speak of? Kind of like Dean Moriarty in On the Road by Jack Kerouac. We don't really know. We hear about him. We hear whispers. Okay. Now, let us, come on up. Reverse warrior. Take this left arm forward and reach back. Take the right arm to the lower back. The next pass, we're going to do the Bird of Paradise, if it even exists. Okay. Where in the world is Bird of Paradise? Let's step back. Downward facing dog. Shake out the legs. Good. We got to do the other side first. Before that, let's do a flow. Inhale forward and down. Inhale up, a little twist, side to side. Whose dog is that? Twist side to side. And downward facing dog. Now inhale, right leg up. We'll do that whole sequence on the other side. Now you get to see the behind the scenes. Bend that leg, arms out. Yes, reach down. All right, shoulders relaxed. You can take this right hand to the outside too. So we're opening up, we're cracking open like a walnut. Our chest, our shoulders, and you better be doing these stretches. I'm going to tip over. You better be doing them. Keep your body loose, limber, ready for anything ageless. I turned 42 in a couple months, and these stretches, with every year that clicks by, they become more and more important. Now stay here or arm to lower back. Get your hand in a little nook there. And, okay. And open. The breath should flow very effortlessly from the mouth, through the chest, into the lungs. Okay, let's stay here. Or the wrap. Right arm underneath. Hands together. You can get the back view there. There we are. Breathe. This is the sequence I usually use to get to Bird of Paradise. It's always a process. You know, we're going there, but we're enjoying where we are. We're focusing on each pose, each breath, each dog. There she goes. Okay. Now, you can stay here, or there's a triangle. Oh, extend that right leg. That's some good tightness. Okay, I gotta take a little breather. And then I exhale and there we are. Tip over. 5 breaths. Hope you can hear me. Going to film out on one of our trails today, but they are a mess. All this snow melt, it's muddy, it's icy. It'd be really muddy wraps. Muddy wraps. One more breath. Okay, let us polish it off with a reverse. Very profound, isn't it? Feel a little lightheaded after that. Reverse warrior. Left arm, lower back, reach it up and over. Okay. Now we're going to do each side one more time, a little faster, and then with the Bird of Paradise option. So bring it up and over, step back, 2, down dog, quick stretch, inhale forward plank, down, slowly, roller coaster, and then up dog, twist it, side to side, take one leg behind, oh no, that's bad luck. Knocking over the water bottle. One leg behind the other. Okay, back to downward facing dog. Alright. Let us go and find that Bird of Paradise. Inhale, left leg up. Left foot forward. Let's go through the motion. So, warrior legs, pivot in, lengthen that back leg. Arms out. Reach and down. Find it in your own speed now. You can repeat what you did before. You can go a little further or stay where you are. I'm going to go with the wrap. I always like to kind of simmer here for a moment in the wrap, stretching the leg back and forth. There we are. Look at those capris. I've never seen anything like it. Alright, now if you want Bird of Paradise, let me show you what it is. Right foot comes forward. Let's see how I do. Left leg comes up. Oops. Keep the knee bent or extend. 5 breaths. Smile. Breathe. Look at the pine tree. 2 more breaths. Fantastic, my friend. Let's bring it back down. Let's cleanse the palate with the reverse warrior. This time, lace the fingers, index finger and thumb out, up and back. 3 breaths. Big stretch. All right, let's bring it up and over. Step back to plank position. Go through your flow. Down, up. Twist it if you like. And we have great anticipation for the next side. All right. Downward facing dog. Smush those heels down. Oh, we take an extra breath here. Oh, that's good. All right, right leg up and forward. Take it slow. Warrior legs, arms out. Okay. Forward, down. Chest is open. Straight line from finger to finger. And then at your own discretion, move further. Investigate it. Be a detective of your body. So we're doing some big things here. Opening, opening. You'll sleep better. You'll move so much better. You'll have more energy, more oxygen. Your other workout routines, you'll do them much better. Any athlete, any sport, anything. Any. All right, here's the wrap. I'm feverishly working on my next book. It's called Pilates for Athletes. So I got that. Athletes in mind. Men and women, all fitness levels, no matter what sport you play. Pilates, yoga, they all enhance your performance so much. All right, here we go. This leg's a little tighter. Oh, yeah. Stay here, my friends, or the bird of paradise is calling. Left foot in. Let's see. Oh, dear. There we are. Don't mind me. Here we go. Oop. Let me come down again. Get these hands better. There's a good walk. All right. So bright I can't look at the snow. 5 breaths. I'm smiling. Thank you, Addie. One more breath. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Come on down. Open up and then get those hands. Ow, I hit my calf. Reverse. Reverse warrior. 2 more breaths. All right. Whew. Bring it down. Step back. Plank. Forward. Down. Fantastic work, my friends. Let's finish off. A little twist again. And that, in a nutshell, is my routine to get you into that bird of paradise. But don't just think bird of paradise. Think every pose has its own identity. Right, sweeties? Yawn in my face, Addie. Likes to yawn in my face. All right. Downward facing dog. Walk the feet forward. And let's roll up. And thank you so much, my friends, for joining me on SweatStreamTV every Friday, coming at you. Again, subscribe to this channel, share SweatStreamTV on all your social media. Post it right now on Facebook with your friends, family, workout buddies. Like this video, share it on. Comment below how you did and which pose had the biggest effect on you. Which one did you really feel? I got a new comb today. And as always, go to the About section, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go to SeanVigueFitness.com, download my free app, and browse my library of best-selling paperbacks and ebooks, including Pilates for Athletes, coming 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Thank you, my friends. Keep rapping, keep twisting, and give your dog a hug and a smooch. God bless.